Food is genuinely our first medicine. When we're in pain, be it acute or chronic, it might be time to make bigger changes and focus on eating nutrient-dense and anti-inflammatory foods, for inflammation causes 75% of our pain. When something hurts, our immune system releases white blood cells to begin the repair, and the extra blood traffic to any area pushes against our nerve endings, which causes the pain. When we have a mindful anti-inflammatory diet, this can be a great defense, and it is easy medicine for us to implement. Try to include plenty of leafy greens, salmon, snacks such as berries and nuts. Use olive oil or maybe coconut oil. Onion, garlic and ginger are great natural antibiotics, and incorporating any of these things will help ease pain and inflammation in your body. Remember, you've got to live with your body a long, long time, so it is important that you understand and take care of it. Sharon Ramel with you with a quick tip on food from the humble couch.